Hi, I'm Krystina. I work at Foscari, University of Venice. I'm the head of the Outreach and Recruitment Unit, which is part of the International Office. Foscari University of Venice is a public university in Italy. We have multiple campuses, but we're based in the city of Venice in its historic center. We're a mid-sized institution with about 23,000 students, so we have programs at the bachelor's, master's, and doctoral levels. Before we had DreamApply, things were a lot more complicated. Students had to send paper copies of their documents. Everything was managed via email. At this point, DreamApply simplifies things because everyone has one single context as a point of reference, and everything converges there: documents, communication, and everything else. At this point, it's impossible for a university not to digitize its processes, so a tool like DreamApply makes that so much easier. My part of the International Office uses DreamApply as a means of communication and cultivating our relationships with students. So I particularly like how we can use it to reach out to students and keep them informed and up to date about the latest news that we have for the incoming cohort. So, for instance, taking advantage of the news section on the homepage is a fantastic resource. It means that we can make sure that the students always have what they need and can find it when they need it. When we set up DreamApply many years ago at this point, the process was really easy. We had a dedicated person from the company who came on site and assisted us with the setup. Obviously, it's a powerful tool, so there were lots of things that needed to be decided and configured, but it was manageable, and in a matter of a few months, we had it up and running. The next step is definitely integrating DreamApply with the platform that we use for managing student careers, and that's on the horizon, and everything looks promising. One of the things I also particularly love is taking advantage of the personalization of the platform. So we're able to make use of our institutional colors, our logos, photos, videos, all the kinds of things that enrich the student experience when they're trying to make a decision about where they'd like to go and study. Essentially, DreamApply allows us to have all roads converge there, and then it becomes a hub from which our students can find everything else that they're looking for, so additional information, other tools, support. So everything heads to DreamApply and then leaves from DreamApply. So it works as a sort of hub or fulcrum for all of this kind of movement and communication.